Hello everyone, I'm doing a comparison of the two BLACK+DECKER pivot Vacs. One is the 20 volt lithium ion that recently came out, and this is the normal one. I'm not sure what battery it has in it, but we've had this one for about almost 2 years now, and the battery has gotten a little weaker, but it's still pretty strong. A couple of differences: you can see that the 20 volt has a slightly different container for its filter. It doesn't have the open end, but I just washed this filter for the 18 volt. This one's still got a little bit of use, but still fairly new. Both of them are cleaned out well, so in a second here we're going to do a test to see which one's stronger. Okay, part 2 of my video. I guess I forgot to mention why I have two of these. The first one I bought, like I said, 2 years ago, this lid right here, this broke right here when we were trying to empty it. It's kind of, both of them have questionable plastic strengths, so when you open that lid you have to be kind of careful so that it doesn't snap off. But I was able to buy a whole new part for about half the price of a new one, and so this one's ready to go again. It's this whole outer shell part was like $25, which is not too bad. But I wanted two of them because this one here comes with a base and I can mount it on the wall, whereas this one did not. Considered making one, but just decided that I'd like to use this one out in the garage. Actually, in my boat, I'm gonna use it to clean up things in the boat. So this one will be the kitchen one, which has the mount. All right, so we're gonna test the strength. So one of the interesting things about these, when you turn that one on, it fires right up and it goes. This one has a little bit of a wind-up, which is interesting. So something different. All right, here's what we have: some Cheerios here. So we are going to do some tests to see how they work. Okay, I've got both of them lined up. We're going to do a basic Cheerio test where I push the Cheerios closer. Let's turn on the machines. Here we go. Alright, well, to summarize what I just showed you, the 18 volt has more power. I can feel it with the suction of my fingers, and as you can see, as I move the Cheerios closer, the 18 volt sucked the Cheerios up much faster and actually pulled the paper up, which made them close enough to the 20 volt, and then the 20 volt sucked in those Cheerios as well. For me, the difference isn't significant enough to preclude me from using one versus the other in the kitchen, but the 18 volt is definitely a little bit stronger.